Sa ating balita abroad, giniit ni US President Donald Trump na maisakakatuparan ng kanyang administrasyon ang regime change sa Iran para sa katatagan ng gitnang silangan. Kunin natin ang detalye sa report ni Vin Pascua.
Inihayag ni US President Donald Trump na napagtagumpayan ng kanyang administrasyon ang regime change sa Iran dahil anya sa decisive military action at suporta ng US sa Israel para sa katatagan ng gitnang silangan. Sa kanyang talumpati sa Washington, idinetalya ni Trump ang ginawang military effort sa Iran.
We took out the first regime 100%, that was Khomeini. And then I said, they all met 88 people and they were going to pick a new regime, and as they were voting, we took them out, so that was number 2. And now we're dealing with the third group of people, and they're much different. Actually, they're much less radical, and it's a new regime. And they said, we never thought of it that way. We have regime change. We got it by accident. We actually got it by accident because I never liked the idea of, the regime change thing is too complex.
Binigyang din pa ni Trump na ang kanyang pasya na umurong sa nuclear deal ng Iran at ang US strike laban kay Qasem Soleimani ay mahalagang aksyon para alisin ang banta sa Middle East.
But seriously, if you didn't have me, you wouldn't have Israel, and you wouldn't have the Middle East either. You would have had a nuclear weapon.
Samantala, tinanggihan ng Iran ang sinabi ni Trump na humiling ng ceasefire ang Tehran. Ayon sa report ng Islamic Republic of Iran News Network, false and baseless ang sinabing pahayag ni Trump ayon sa tagapagsalita ng Foreign Ministry. Una nang nagpost si Trump sa social media na hiniling ng bagong liderato ng Iran sa US na magkaroon ng tigil putukan, pero iko-konsidera lang ito ng Washington kung bubuksan ang Strait of Hormuz. Vin Pascua para sa Mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.